This is the story of how I came back to life. See that snake? You have to remember him. He is the bad guy in this story. Anyway, years and years passed, and a little baby girl named Summer was born, as well as her little sister born after her named Emma. Summer was a jellyfish, and Emma was a narwhal. Don't ask how they are sisters.
Good morning, everybody. How is your day going?
My day's going great. Thanks for asking, Summer.
Oh no, it's Demise, the snake.
Boiling rats, boiling rats. Oh, you love my boiling rats. A snake's venom has a harsh bite. You look like my next meal. Eat you, I might. Boiling rats, boiling rats. Oh, you just love my boiling rats.
We have to defeat that snake and end his silly songs. Who's with me?
I know I am. Gosh, I hate that song.
I was born ready. Born ready to defeat Demise.
Then let's go. Demise, oh Demise, where are you?
Over here, I'm right here.
What? Where is he?
I've got you, Summer.
I will get you. No! Whoa! Ah!
All right, well, that's our story. And all the Rainforest friends got home safely. Bye-bye now.
We are the Rainforest friends, the Rainforest friends, the Rainforest friends. We live happy and safe and warm.
We are the Rainforest friends, the Rainforest friends, the Rainforest friends.
We live happy and safe and warm.